Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing my favorite coconut scented hygiene products. I haven't done one of these in a while. I think my last one was like 3 months ago maybe, and I think it was a rose one, but we're doing coconut today. Let me know what other scents you guys might want to see, because it does depend, because sometimes I don't always have a lot of those scents. But today we're doing coconut, so I'm super excited. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to mention is a scrub, and this is Tree Hut Cocoa Colada. This is just a standard sugar scrub. Cannot speak. That is a hard word to say, but oh my goodness, this video. This smells so good. This is like a sweet, tropical, coconutty scent. I didn't have this for a while in my collection until I picked it up. And let me just tell y'all, it smells to die for. I love using this. It's not like an obnoxious coconut scent, which I'm not like a huge fan of, like that tropical kind of coconutty scent. Like I didn't really like Key West from Bath and Body Works or Hibiscus Paradise, but this scent is so good, and I just love all Tree Hut hygiene products. Like, please, Tree Hut, sponsor me. Your girl has a huge collection and would love more products. But please pick this up. I think everyone will really enjoy this scent if you're trying to get into coconut. Next thing I want to show you guys is a body wash, and this is OGX Coconut Oil Body Wash. I also have the lotion in this, but I only really brought like one form of each scent I'm going to show you guys. So this is the body wash. Again, this is like a coconut oil scent, and I love those kinds of scents. I also have, I should have brought it, it's in my bathroom. I have the hair oil, the OGX coconut hair oil, and that's amazing too. It makes your hair feel so soft. This scent is just super, like, it smells like a real coconut oil. Like when you have coconut oil that you cook with or whatever. It smells exactly like that. OGX body wash formulas are absolutely amazing. And the lotion in this actually does, what do you call it, like rub in pretty well. I know OGX is a bad kind of like reputation with their lotions not rubbing in as well, but this one really does. But the body wash just feels so relaxing when you're in the shower. You feel like you're like having a nice self-care day. So I highly recommend you guys picking this up if you guys haven't yet. I feel like I always see these at like Target and Walmart. And if you can't find them at Target and Walmart, I would suggest like Amazon. Yeah. Next up, I have a deodorant. This is probably one of my favorite deodorants that I have, the best smelling deodorant that I have. This is Dove 0% aluminum in coconut and pink jasmine. I also have this in the body wash. I think I used it all up, but this scent is so good. Like the jasmine mixed with the coconut just smells so pretty. It's so delicate and like kind of like powdery smelling a little bit, but I just love this scent. The 0% aluminum honestly isn't my favoriteest form anymore for dry underarms. So if you can find this in like the advanced care line, I would highly recommend that. I'm just trying to use these up, so that's why I haven't picked it up. But yeah, I love the scent. The body wash smells to die for. Like, please go pick it up because you will not regret it. But yeah, this is my only coconut deodorant because I gave my other one to my sister. Onto body lotion. Here I have Frosted Coconut Snowball by Bath and Body Works. I got this during the semi-annual sale, and I believe this is the 2019 edition. Yeah, it's this one on the back. It has Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Freesia, and Snow-Kissed Woods. Let me tell you, this is such a good scent. Like, I hope that they bring this fragrance back in the wintertime. It smells like a yummy, fluffy coconut cream pie or like coconut cake kind of thing. It is so gourmand, so warm. I hope they bring this back this year. I'm not sure if this is like something that is super popular and they bring back every year, or if it was just like a one and done type of thing. But I love this. If you have this, definitely use it. And take it back out of your collection and get some more use out of it. I absolutely just love the lotion formula as well. I used to only be a body cream girl, but now I just love the lotions. And another drugstore option that you could choose is this EOS 24-hour body lotion in coconut waters. This formula is just to die for. I love this formula. Everyone always talks about the vanilla one, but the coconut one smells like coconut water, which is why it's coconut waters. It doesn't have like that heavy coconut oil scent. It's a little bit more of a lighter coconut scent. So if you, again, are just trying to get into coconut scent, I think this would be perfect for you. It's super, super moisturizing, so great for the upcoming like winter months or the chillier months, especially if you live in somewhere where it's like already starting to get cold. Here it's not really, but the formula is really amazing on these, and I just absolutely love the EOS lotions. I have almost all of them and I don't regret it. I wanted to throw in this one in here. This is Victoria's Secret Coconut Milk and Rose, the calm one. This is from their Natural Beauty line, I believe, and I love this line. This one is different because this is their 24-hour moisture lotion, whereas the other ones are just, I guess, regular lotions. So this formula is actually a lot more thick and hydrating and just so much more moisturizing. Like, the other Victoria's Secret lotions I have are very, very runny, but this one is definitely a lot thicker than the regular ones. I mean, is it going to be as thick as a body cream from Bath & Body Works? No, but it is actually very moisturizing and good for the summer. I absolutely love this scent. It's a nice light coconut milk rose scent, like you have like a coconut milk rose latte kind of scent. It's very faint, it's very delicate and dainty, nothing over the top. So if you're someone who maybe doesn't like to wear super heavy fragranced products, which I totally get, you should definitely check out this line because the mist is very light and it's not super long lasting, but I think it's a nice subtle scent of coconut, and you also get that rose in there, so you won't have to, like, you know, be drenched in coconut. So yeah. As for, what is it called, body lotion, I have one more. This is the Bath & Body Works Coconut Cream Pie. This is their bake shop collection. I don't think they have this anymore. Yeah, I haven't gone to Bath & Body Works in a little bit, but I got this again during the semi-annual sale. I love coconut cream pie. It's a beautiful scent. It is a nice, like, it's more of a caramel note in there. The caramel note is very, very strong, not so much the coconut. So again, if maybe you just don't love coconut scents, this might be the one for you. It smells very gourmand, warm. I'm sorry if the lighting is going in and out. I feel like it is. I live in like a shadier area, but this lotion is so good. Again, I have the fragrance mist. I just didn't bring it because, like, it took me so long to find this, but this scent is super, super great for my gourmand lovers. I think it's perfect. Moving on to body mist. I'm sure this is what a lot of you guys came for. Comment down below, do you guys like my hygiene recommendations or my fragrance mist picks? Let me know. The first one I have here is none other than Miss Coconut by Bath & Body Works. I honestly have the other ones too, so like coconut pineapple and coconut and lime, but I just thought I would just share this one. Again, you can choose whichever one of your liking. I actually really like this one the best. This is just coconut milk and sea salt musk and fresh vanilla, and I like that they added the vanilla in there. This smells straight up very similar to the OGX coconut oil body wash. It just smells like coconut oil. It's not a fruity tropical coconut. It smells so good. It smells like summer, like when you have like that suntan oil that smells like coconuts. Exactly what it smells like if you are going tanning or to the beach or to the pool. Please use this. It is decently long lasting for a body mist, so yeah. Next fragrance mist I have is Warm and Cozy. This has soft vanilla, toasted coconut, and passion fruit. Again, I just like to mention this because, again, I know like some people really despise certain scents. So if you do not like coconut, try Warm and Cozy. I'm sure you guys all have this scent or have smelled it before. Get this fragrance because I think this is the perfect like stepping stone into getting into coconut scents. I definitely can pick up the coconut a little bit, but it's not just like your straight up coconut. You smell like that vanilla in there and that passion fruit. It's like a very interesting scent because I can't describe it very good, but this is perfect for like, you know, you just have a big hoodie on or you're just wearing some leggings and a crop top. It's a very casual scent, but it lasts a very, very long time. And again, I do have the lotion to this, but I only brought one form. So yeah, and you guys can see I've used a lot of this. So yeah. Next, fragrance mist. This is Mix Bar Coconut Palm. This is hair and body mist. Honestly, I bought this when I was in Texas and I took it back home with me on the plane in my checked bag, and the nozzle got all messed up, which it sometimes leaks now, which is very annoying. But you just basically spray this in your hair. That's what I do it for, or you could use this like, the lighting's getting so weird. But yeah, you can just spray this all over your hair or your body. The main reason why I bought this was for my hair, but it smells like a more mature vanilla. It's not like your straight up like childlike vanilla or coconut. Where is my brain today? But yeah, I love this. It's like $8.99 at Target, so very, very accessible. And last but not least, here I have Liquid Coconut by Victoria's Secret, and this whole collection slapped. Like, they did really good with this collection, and this just has coconut water and salted bergamot. This is definitely more like a coconut watery scent. Definitely not something I would recommend to someone who doesn't love coconut, but I really, really like this. Like, there's like a hint of like tropicalness in here, but it's like kind of like tangy a little bit. I know that sounds super weird in a coconut scent, but it is so good. It smells like so summery. I just love this fragrance. It lasts a pretty good amount of time, and I highly recommend it. I don't know, I need to use this more because I feel like I haven't gotten my full use out of it, but that is okay. I feel like I'm so hyper today. Wow. But that's pretty much all of the products I have to share with you guys. I thought I had a lot more, but couldn't seem to find them. So these were all the ones that I could find that I actually genuinely love. So let me know what some of your favorite coconut scented products are and what other scent you would want me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!